Debbie Goodman, and this is Out and About with Debbie Goodman. Today I'm on a garden tour in Fresno, California. Yeah, watch your step so you don't fall in the pool.
Today's nice, yeah.
This happens once a year in the spring here in Fresno. You buy a ticket and they give you a map. It goes to several houses in the area. Okay, here we are at the second stop of the garden tour. This is northwest Fresno. Generally speaking, it's a little more affluent area of town, but it's still an older neighborhood. So I'm on a garden tour today trying to get some ideas for my own yard. Remember that old song about the lemon tree?
Yeah, but an assortment of plants.
I love sago palms. We are at stop number 3 in further northwest Fresno. They actually have a chicken coop at this stop. I don't know if you can see the chickens very well, but there they are. Yeah, the idea behind this garden is edible things. We've got some carrots. This gives me an idea for my backyard.
plant a tree, you need the tree and the tree needs you. You gotta take care of it. Yeah?
Okay, this is 2.5 acres on this person's property. In the front is drought resistant, a little more flowery in the back. This is really nice. You've got a cool little bridge going here. All right. Kind of a cool little idea to have your succulents growing out of a piece of wood. Okay, I can hear little chicks cheeping in here. I didn't realize that people raise chicks around here. I mean, of course, out in the farmland they do. Look at the chickens. Okay, we got a renegade chick here somewhere. He got out.
He's back in the corner.
So now we're trying to rescue Foghorn Leghorn or whatever his name is. Let me get out of the way here. What was the little guy's name? Egghead on Foghorn Leghorn?
Yeah.
Son, I say son, get back in that chicken coop.
Come here. I need some food.
City folk are getting excited. Did we get a chick? Oh, we got him. Yay!
Yeah. The big one of the big.
Okay, and they have a drought-resistant theme going on here in the front yard. This is what I need. Lots of succulents. Beautiful desert scene. Of course, Fresno is kind of a desert climate. Little lanterns down the walk. The fountain. And lanterns. And this is further behind the backyard.
She didn't say to looking.
She said to look up at the roof, I thought, or above the door, and I don't see what she's talking about.
It's not open, is it?
No.